In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your name pronunciation to your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. Making sure people pronounce your name correctly is important, and LinkedIn offers a simple way to do just that, ensuring you put your best foot forward in your professional interactions. So, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. Once you're there, you need to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button on the homepage. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. This step is crucial for accessing your profile and making any changes necessary. After signing in, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. From here, locate your profile thumbnail or picture, which is typically at the top of your screen, and click on it. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to view your profile in more detail. You should see an option to View Profile. Click on this to enter your profile editing space. Now, let's find where you can highlight and edit your profile information. On your profile, look for the section labeled with your name and basic info. There should be a pencil icon or label indicating you can edit your intro. You need to click on this part to allow for editing features on your profile. Once in the edit mode, you will see different sections available for tweaking. You're going to focus specifically on adding your name pronunciation. Look for an option that reads something like Name Pronunciation within the intro section. It's typically found alongside other personal details about you. Clicking on this will open an interface allowing you to record your name pronunciation directly. If you have a microphone or a feature that allows for voice recording on your device, use it here. This process lets you clearly record your name in your own voice, providing others precisely how to pronounce it. Make sure to speak clearly and listen to your recording before saving it. You want to ensure it's representative of how you want your name pronounced. Finally, save all changes to keep your new name pronunciation feature active on your profile. And there you have it. With these steps completed, anyone visiting your LinkedIn profile will now have access to your name in its correct pronunciation. It's a small enhancement, but one that makes a significant impact on personal and professional interactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick tutorial helps enhance your LinkedIn experience.